2018 Kia Soul. The coating came off the wires for the coil packs. Tell me that's not some crazy crap right there. Now, Kia gives you this stupid plastic thing here that you gotta fight with to get these wires out. Then you come over here to this side and you got another one. And folks, let me tell you something. This plastic crap that they give you here to work with, it's exactly what it is, crap. Somehow you're supposed to be able to push these tabs in and get this out, but it's so hard it doesn't push in. What actually happens is you end up breaking the tabs. Kia does not sell this wire harness unless it's the whole harness. No auto parts store does. So you got to order online for Amazon. So if you got a random misfire, first thing you want to do is check these wires on this Kia, because it actually stalled and came up with random misfire codes, all because of this. And now it's getting fixed. Thank you.